Hey everyone, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a little secret. When we first designed the face mask platen, it was made so that it can print more than just face masks. So today I'm going to show you 4 really difficult placements that are super easy to print on with the face mask platen. To print on short sleeves, put the entire thing over the print surface area, fold the cuff onto the top plate, and you're ready to print. The hardest part about printing on pockets is making sure that the placement is consistent every time. But because we have a 3x4 print surface area, all we have to do is put the pocket on top, line it up so that it's straight, and we know that the artwork is always going to land in the same place every time. The first thing you want to do is take your shirt and flip it inside out. Now that the t-shirt's folded inside out, take the collar and fold it under the top plate. That'll make the label move out of the way. Then just make sure the rest of the t-shirt is under the platen and you're ready to print. To print the side of the hat, start with the sweatband and tuck that part under the top plate. So, once the sweatband is under the top plate, smooth out the print surface area, get the tucker that comes with your platen, tuck a little bit of slack in from the back, and then slide it out and you're ready to print. Thank you guys for watching. We're actually going to be doing a special giveaway where one of you guys is going to win a face mask kit. Go to our Instagram and check out the details on how to enter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below letting us know what you would use your kit for if you win one. With that said, my name is Leo with Keyprint Co. You guys have a good one.